For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Filmmaker Kabir Khan seems truly excited about his third collaboration, Tube Light, with Salman Khan after Ek Tha Tiger and Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The plot, the star cast, the locations and the emotions all hold promise of some unimaginable entertainment and never forgettable cinematic experience. While fans have been lapping up on every detail about this film, which features Chinese actress Zhu in a pivotal role across the Bhaijaan of B-Town, Kabir Khan made a special announcement on Twitter that made all the netizens crazy. Apparently, the talented filmmaker has announced the launch date of Tube Light with a tweet stating, #TubeLight trailer out in the 25th of May. Can't wait to show you guys. Kabir Khan also attached a picture of the certificate from the Central Board of Film Certification for the trailer in Glee. Well, with just 2 more days to go, we are sure that you too must be quite excited to see the trailer. Hai na? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Sunny Deol's son Karan Deol is on the threshold of his Bollywood debut with the film Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, and when news of the new kid making his foray into Bollywood spilled out, B-Towners welcomed the young lad with open arms. While Salman Khan was one of the first to wish him online, other celebs took to Twitter to welcome Karan and make him one of their own. Here are some of the tweets by some of the stalwarts of the industry. It all began when proud Pa Sunny Deol shared a picture of Karan on Twitter with the caption, "Started #Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, Karan's first day at shoot. Can't get enough. My boy has grown big. #love, #actor, #life." This tweet went viral and SRK was one of the first to welcome Karan and congratulate Sunny with a tweet, "All the best, Papa. He looks as tough and gentle as you. May all good things come his way." Salman Khan too shared a lovely picture of the father-son duo and posted, "Karan Deol, welcome to the Hindi film industry, congrats." Well, getting such a wonderful welcome does make a great start for Karan, and we hope that he is able to match steps with all the well-established industry insiders and carve his own niche. While we bring more updates, do let us know what do you feel about Karan's entry into Bollywood. Drop in your congratulatory messages in the comment section below. Sanket Bhosle is one hell of a talented mimic who can leave you in splits with his rendition of B-Town celebs. While he is good at mimicking Salman, Shah Rukh, Kailash Kher, Sonu Nigam and others, the one star he loves to ape is our very own dear Sanjay Dutt. Fondly known as Sanju Baba, recently Sanket got the opportunity to meet his muse in person and also perform in front of him. A video taken at a party has Sanket mimicking the star in his very august presence, and wow, what a reaction! Sanju Baba seemed dumbstruck and had no words, but the smile which lit up his face told it all. Meanwhile, Sanket also has another feather up his cap when filmmaker Rajkumar Hirani approached him to train actor Ranbir Kapoor in the nuances of Sanjay Dutt's style for the upcoming biopic based on the life of Sanjay Dutt. Well, one look at the video is sure to leave everyone awestruck, and we are sure that under his tutelage, Ranbir too will get the Baba's look just right. Don't you think so? Do let us know what do you think about this by commenting in the section below. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's Khan's look hit the nail on the head with amazing precision, and the diva looked no less than a nymph from another planet. Donning a Cinderella gown in powdered blue, Ash looked ethereal in the Michael Kinko dress, and the designer was quite proud of the masterpiece that he took to Instagram to flaunt his creation by opening the caption stating, "Voted as one of the most beautiful women in the world, the stunning Aishwarya Rai channeled her inner Cinderella." Well, the post did receive quite a few likes, But one particular like came from unexpected quarters. Surprise, surprise! It was from Salman Khan's alleged lady love, Ulia Bantur. Now this comes as a surprise given that Ulia is quite aware of Salman and Aishwarya having a steamy affair in the past. Well, it does seem that Ulia has no worries from Aishwarya given that the former beauty is already married to Abhishek Bachchan and has a 5-year-old daughter Aradhya. What else could be the reason? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
सजन रेडियो बजाइयो 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 जरा। हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट यूट्यूब चैनल मूवीज अड्डा और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट फलक। दोस्तों, सलमान खान की ट्यूबलाइट का टीजर, पोस्टर, गाना जो कि है रेडियो बजाइयो जरा, वो भी आउट हो चुका है। लेकिन अब तक हमें वेट है ट्रेलर का जो कि आउट होने वाला है बस कुछ ही दिन में। So guys, are you excited for the trailer? Let me go out and ask people कि क्या वो excited है? Meanwhile, do let us know. सलमान खान की मूवी ट्यूबलाइट आ रही है जिसका टीजर एंड पोस्टर ऑलरेडी आउट हो गया as well as the radio song. So ट्रेलर अभी आउट बस 2 दिन में आउट होने वाला है. So are you guys excited to see the?
Very much, yeah! बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है ट्रेलर के लिए, बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे हम लोग।
I'm so much excited because I love Salman Khan. I'm a big fan of Salman.
Yes, I'm excited.
एक दिन मुश्किल से निकल रहा है, कब ईद आएगी, कब जाके सलमान भाई की मूवी देखेंगे हम लोग।
ऑफ कोर्स मैम, लगभग तो हम ऐसे ही सोचते हैं कि जब भी सल्लू भाई की मूवी आती है तो फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो देखने की इच्छा रखते हैं।
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है हम लोग, तो इसके लिए उसको देखने के लिए भी आते हैं हम लोग ज़्यादा इधर।
जी जी जी, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। आए फिर देखें उसका क्या है, उसका रिएक्शन क्या होता है। अच्छा है।
मूवी देखने जाओगे?
मूवी देखने जरूर जाएंगे।
देखना पड़ेगा पहले तो कि कैसा हो सकता है उस मूवी में। एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं बहुत सारी, नॉर्मली जैसे होती हैं।
हम बहुत एक्साइटेड रहते हैं उनकी पिक्चर देखने के लिए। इस साल भी जाएंगे।
यही क्या, हर साल जो रिलीज होती है सब सुपर हिट होती है। ये साल भी ये फिल्म रिलीज होकर सुपर हिट होनी चाहिए।
बहुत एक्साइटेड है वो। वी आर वेरी फैन ऑफ इंडिया।
यार ईद को आ रही है पिक्चर, हम लोग जाएंगे जरूर देखने पिक्चर।
मैं तो बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ ट्यूबलाइट का।
और इन्होंने इतना इनोसेंट रोल किया है, इतनी 50 एज हो गई इनकी, और इस छोटे बच्चे का रोल जो माइंड ऐसे हाँ स्लो, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है।
बहुत ज़्यादा रेटिंग पे वेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आफ्टर सुल्तान लॉट काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, ड्यूरेशन हो गया, क्योंकि मूवीज़ उनकी जब भी आती है तो धमाल होता है मुंबई में, क्योंकि वो आफ्टरवर्ड्स वांटेड होने के बाद, बस वो वांटेड होते बहुत काफ़ी टाइम के बाद मूवी देते, तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है मैम।
ट्रेलर का ही वेट कर रहे हैं, धमाकेदार ट्रेलर निकलेगा, उसके बाद तो पूरी पिक्चर ही बाकी है अभी तो।
What is that one good message you would like to give for Salman? Please, I wanted to meet you. Salman, I love you.
We love you सलमान।
बस यही इच्छा रखते हैं कि बस जल्द से जल्द कोई अच्छी लड़की उससे मिल जाए, और जैसे मूवी में जैसे छाए रहते वैसे हमेशा ज़िंदगी के हर एक मोड़ पे वो दिल में बसे रहे। बस बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर मूवी। सलमान खान की जितने भी पिक्चर आते हैं हम उनके बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं, हर मूवी उनकी देखते हैं, और ये मूवी भी बहुत जोश से देखना चाहेंगे।
I am very big fan of Salman and उनकी हर पिक्चर मुझे अच्छी लगती है और ये भी पिक्चर मैं देखना चाहूँगी।
उनकी फिल्म हर साल अच्छी सुपर हिट हो और उनकी शादी जल्दी हो, बस यही दुआ है।
बाय ट्यूबलाइट के लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक, ऑल द बेस्ट, वी आर वेटिंग।
सलमान भाई वी लव यू।
सल्लू वी लव यू।
गाइस, बॉलीवुड की ऐसी ही तीखी मीठी खबरों के लिए आप जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ। एंड अगर आपके पास भी कोई क्वेश्चंस है जो आप चाहते हैं कि हम लोगों से पूछें, तो प्लीज 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 कमेंट बिलो एंड लेट अस नो एंड वी विल आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस। Until then, see you, bye bye. We had given you a daily report of how Aishwarya had fared at the Cannes International Film Festival, both on the red carpet as well as off it, and we must say that the diva truly stunned. Ash walked the red carpet on Friday and Saturday once as L'Oreal ambassador and once to present her film Devdas in the open theatre. The former beauty pageant stunned right from the moment she stepped out at the airport with Aradhya in tow. The mother-daughter seem to have had a blast, and Aradhya truly has evolved from a shy girl hiding behind her mother to a lass completely at ease with the media. In fact, all of 5, Aradhya also walked the red carpet with Aishwarya, donning an enchanting fluffy pink gown. it her Michael Kincock gown, the Yanina dress, or the Monisha chasing Anarkali, Aishwarya seemed to hit just the right notes with her look, and she has got a thumbs up for her Cannes appearance without any exception. Well, while we bring more updates from the Cannes International Film Festival, do let us know if you too give Ashan Aradhya's fashion look a thumbs up. Shah Rukh Khan and Ananil Roy's film is desperately in search for a leading lady. Earlier, the leggy-lass Deepika Padukone backed out of the project, citing date issues as she was busy shooting for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's period film Padmavati. Then there were rumors that the makers had approached Katrina Kaif for the role. While no further news came from that front, we now hear that the chirpy Alia Bhatt has been approached. Though Alia was initially hesitant to turn down the offer, she spoke to her mentor Karan Johar, who then asked her to accompany him to Mannat. Alia then laid her dates out for SRK and explained her side. SRK was at his chivalrous best and gracefully accepted her inability to work with him. But in the meanwhile, we got to know that Alia was also eager to work with Prabhas in his upcoming film Sahu. While the lady in question has not yet been approached for the same, we wonder how she will resolve her date issues then. What do you think? Let us know by commenting in the section. Shooting for Tiger Zinda Hai seems to be a really unique experience, and we must say that filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar is indeed making the most of this experience. Having personally selected each location for the shoot, every shot successfully taken is a delight. Here we see an amazing picture of Salman Khan in a vehicle dressed in rustic clothes in the backdrop of a perfectly setting sun and the volatile sounds in the background. Indeed, the team of Tiger Zinda Hai is making sure that each shot is taken with precision. Middle East never looked so amazing, and the picture posted on Twitter with the caption "Desert, Sunset and Tiger" truly expresses the nerve of the film. With one shot, the filmmaker has created magic and ensured that the viewers are hooked onto the nerve of the film. Well, we definitely are fascinated by this amazing picture. Are you? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan was seen with Zaid Al Jiyadi, the owner of a big mall in Abu Dhabi. Well, for starters, let us tell you that Salman is in Abu Dhabi for the shoot of his upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai. Well, now that Salman's Tube Light is up for a release, here is the next up the Salman's sleeve. Yes, indeed, we are sure that Salu is all about style and action. Obviously, we find him with people like Zaid, who create fashion and style statement in Abu Dhabi. Salman has been said to have a gross collection of more than 130 crores even before its release, and now with being seen with such style icons, Bhai is sure having a kick-ass start to his upcoming movie. Henna, what do you feel about Salman's style quotient? Do let us know. With barely a week to go before the holy month of fasting for Ramzan begins, people are gearing up for the period of prayer, worship and of course wonderful delicacies for iftari and being with their near and dear ones. Salman Khan will be away shooting for his upcoming film Tiger Zinda Hai. And when quizzed about what he loved the most about the festive delicacies, and back came the reply: Sheer Kurma made by my mother, and of course add to it biryani. Well, it's a marvel how despite being a lover of so many delicacies, Salman still manages to look so fit and fine. Oh, let's just place it to his grueling schedule and of course his love for fitness. Meanwhile, let's hope that Salman completes his shooting soon and returns to his family for Eid, which will also be special as it marks the release of his historic war saga, Tube Light. Well, having shared Salman's favorite dishes with you, don't forget to drop in your comments about the same in the section below.